Overview of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Extensibility. Dynamics 365 Finance, Supply Chain, and Commerce are extensively customized by partners, value-added resellers, VARs, and even some customers. The ability to customize the product is a strength that has historically been supported through overlayering of the application code. Overlayering is a process where the developer needed to create a new model overlaying the existing model, and any customizations were done on the upper layer. The move to the cloud, together with more agile servicing and frequent updates, requires a less intrusive customization model, so that updates are less likely to affect custom solutions. This new model is called extensibility, and has replaced customization through overlayering. Extension models simplify and improve the performance of deployments, builds, test automation, and delivery to customers. Extensibility is the only customization framework in finance, supply chain, and commerce. Overlayering is not supported. Building your model or project does not require you to recompile the entire application. Unlike overlayering, extensions reduce the cost of upgrading to a new version, as this approach eliminates costly code and metadata conflicts. The upcoming sections will explain how customizations must be approached through extensions.